Today I'm going to be doing a sit down chit chat with you while I get ready to go to the tourism awards. As you can see, my hair is wet as I've just washed it, so my face is all clean. I do have some pimples, which is not much fun, but so yeah, my skin is pretty much all ready. All I'm going to do right now is just put some witch hazel on it just to clean it up just a little bit more before I put my foundation on. That way it'll just tone it a little bit. I'm also just getting my Calm Mix and I'm going to put this on my lips just to moisturise them before I put all my lip products on. So I did tan last night as well, and I have tried out this new Uber Stay for fair skin tones, the ash base one that lasts up to 10 days. I usually do use the Uber Stay, but I've never tried the 10-day one before. So it has come out quite dark, which it is quite nice. As long as it doesn't go orange, then I don't mind. We will be fine. Okay, so now for my skin, I'm using the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Matte Foundation in Light Medium Neutral. I feel like this is just such a good, like, thick nighttime makeup, so it's perfect for events to make your skin look flawless because it is quite a thick foundation. So I tend to just keep it for events at nighttime or events like this, just where I want that perfect look on my skin, especially because I have some pimples at the moment which aren't too fun. And I tend to work on like 2 at most spots on my face just because I feel like it dries quite quick and I want to be able to blend it as much as I can. As you can see, it is just quite a really nice coverage, so I do like that a lot. I'm just going to put one earphone in just so that I can get myself in the mood to go to the event tonight. It's not that I don't want to go, it's more just that I've been really sick, so it's kind of like to get me out of the house I'm going, which I go every year, but this time it's more I just need to get out of the house. So I'm trying to bump my party up, so let's try this. Seriously though, look at that coverage. I haven't even put any concealer on it yet, and it still doesn't like look too thick on your skin. It just covers everything so nicely. So I'll still be putting concealer on just so that it stays put, so that my pimple doesn't go through. Again, now I'm just getting my Revlon concealer in light medium. So it's a photo ready one. And again, this is just a really good one for events if there's going to be lots of flash photography and stuff, so that you don't get the flashback on your face. It works out well. So now I'm just taking my Rimmel London Clear Complexion in 021 yeah, transparent. Okay, so now I'm moving on to my eyebrows. I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in Taupe Ash. I use this one all the time. This is pretty much all I use on my eyebrows, and I only use this colour here, which you can see because I already hit pan. Otherwise, I used to use Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just never got around to purchasing it again. So I kind of just always stuck to this, and this works. I thought, why not? I'll just keep using this until I run out. I don't do anything exciting with my eyebrows because I already have... My eyebrows aren't thick wide, but they're like thick hairs. So I can't really change it too much because it's very noticeable. So I just do it very subtly. My eyebrows are never gonna be sisters. Ever. Don't you just love when you have two completely different shaped eyebrows? Okay, so now I'm going to do my face, and I'm just getting my Ben Nye Powder Rouge Contour number 1, and this is clearly my favouriteest contour. I just feel like it is such, I don't know, it just works so well. I've been using it for years and years and years, and I still have product left, so it's very good. It's my favourite. So I just get my dense brush, like a dense brush, and I just work it into oh my god. I just work it into my cheekbones. I'm also just getting my little fluffy brush, which is actually a crease brush, but I use it for my nose contouring because I just feel like it works the best. And I'm just getting the same contour colour, and I'm just going to put it on my nose, down my nose, and on the tip of my nose to make it look more cute. No, just to give it more dimension instead of just being a nose, you know? Your nose. And then just rounding it off to make it look just that much more bubbly. Next, I'm getting my MAC Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish. Oh my god. Swear I'm not crazy. And it is just this very bronzy, glowy brown that I put all over my face to give me that bronzed look. Okay, so now I want my cheeks as red as my dress. Just kidding, but I want it to fit in. So I'm using my MAC Pinch Me, and it's like this really pretty pinky red that I really like. It's like a dark pink. It's very nice. I'm going in with two different highlighters. The first one I'm using is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Illuminating Powder in French Vanilla. This one kind of lightens your cheeks more in the area that you want it, and it does still give you that shine. It doesn't give me as much shine as I want. The next one I'm going in is my MAC Soft and Gentle, and this one is just such a pretty, like, glittery, sparkly, not glittery, but it just goes wow, like wow. You know what I mean? Like wow. But I don't want to look like a Tin Man. It'll settle. Okay, so now I'm getting my sticky tape, and I'm going to tape my eyes because I want a precise line. Because I feel like it just elongates my eyes just that little bit better. So I'm going to put this on before, not on camera, I'm not going to put this on camera. Okay, I think they're pretty even. Let's hope to God they're even. Otherwise it's going to be very sad. Okay, so the first colour, so I'm going in with my Disney Diners Designer Collection palette by Colourpop, and I'm going to get Triton, which is that lighter brown there, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. This is just a really good neutral colour so that it helps blend everything. Okay, now I'm getting the same palette, and I'm getting a Boo, which is this darker brown here. And it's quite like a reddy brown, so I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eyes as well. I'm now going in with the colour Beast. It is kind of a maroony black, if that makes sense. So it's just going to darken up my eyes just a bit. And now I'm getting my Stiller Eyes of the Window Soul palette, and I'm just getting a little bit of the black. And I'm going to do the black very lightly on the outer corner. I don't want it to be too dark. Now I'm just getting my eyeliner, and I'm going to do that off camera because it's just too hard and I just need to concentrate a bit better. Okay, now my eyeliner is done. I'm just going to pretty much do the same colours underneath my eye. So I'm going to go in with the Abu first. Now I'm going in with the Beast. And now I'm just going to go in with the black, but I'm going to do it on a smaller brush and make sure it's got no other colour on it because I don't want that on my eye. I need to wash my brushes. Not good. Anyway, so I'm going in with the black, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eyes just to darken them up. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted. What just happened? How did that even happen? Oh. Well, shit sticks. Literally what I did not want at all. Okay, let's try that again and blend that out because that is just a big black mess. Holy moly, what just happened? This is what happens. That's a bit of shit. It's worked a little bit. We're just gonna go with that. That's what I wanted it to do. Just go on normally. And I am just taking my Colourpop palette again, and I am just getting the colour Ray. And I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eyes, just for a little bit of highlight. It's not like a crazy intense one, so it's quite nice and subtle, which is what I like. Okay, so now I'm just getting my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara in Waterproof, and I'm just going to put this on, not on camera because it's just too hard, so I'll be back. Okay, so I just did all my eyelashes. I did just stick some eyelashes on. I don't actually know what brand they are because they were just laying around because I actually forgot to buy eyelashes for today, so I'm just reusing some that are old. They're probably Loretta, to be honest. So now, for my lips, I am just getting the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics Candy K lip liner. And I'm just going to take the lip stuff off. Now I'm just getting my Kylie Jenner matte lipstick in Love Bite. Let's hope this is the right colour. Oh, I think that's too dark. No, that's too dark. I don't want that. You know what? I'm just going to play it safe, and I'm just going to wear Posy K. Because, you know, you can't go wrong with like a nudie pinky lip. So let's mix that because I feel like... Okay. Okay, so my makeup is done. I'm going to just do my hair and I'm going to zoom through that because I'm running out of time. So you can keep watching.